Okay, convert natin ang fraction sa decimal. Then, from decimal, i-convert natin sa percent. Uunahin muna natin yung number 1. Since ito yung fraction, 4/25, ganito lang. Lagyan ng 100, tapos i-divide. 100 divided by 25, we have 4. Then 4 times 4, we have 16. Now, 16, decimal, automatic man na ang dot ay dito, meaning, i-move natin twice to the left. 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, ang 16 ay magiging 0.2. Now, paano ba natin i-convert yan sa percent? Simple lang. I-move lang yan twice. Ang dot, i-move twice. 1, 2. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, magiging 16%. Or pwede din lagyan ng decimal, pwede din hindi na. Kasi automatic naman yan. Pag whole number, yung dot or decimal point ay nasa right. Baka na-confuse yung iba. Ganito kasi yan. Itong 0.16 ay ano lang, just simply multiply lang by 100. Okay? 0.16. Then copy itong dalawang dot. Oh. Then move 1, 2. So 1, 2, yan. Nandito na yung dot. Wala na yan. So in short, para mas mapadali natin, i-move lang natin yung dot twice to the right, kaya magiging 16%. Remember, ang ibig sabihin ng percent ay per 100. Okay? Per 100. So, kung i-convert yan sa decimal, 0.16. And then from 0.16, move yung decimal point to the right twice. Yan, magiging 16%. Do not forget to indicate the percent symbol. Kasi percent man yung pinag-uusapan. Okay, next. Dito naman tayo sa number 2. Change ko lang yung color. Sa 50, yan, divide by 100. Okay, the same process. 100 divided by 15. I mean 100 divided by 50. We have 2. Then 2, i-times natin yan sa 8. Okay? So 8 times 2, we have 16 again. But anyway, since decimal number yan, i-move natin twice, 1, 2, nandito yung decimal. Parang puro 16 yata yung sagot. Then as usual, move twice. Ako hindi ko alam 16 rin yung resulta. O nga naman, kasi half-half yun, no? So, move twice to the right para magiging 16%. Dito naman tayo sa number 3. Okay. Lagyan natin ng 100 para 100 divided by 20. The quotient is 5. So, of course, kasi 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Of course, i-multiply natin yung 5 sa 12. Okay? We have 5 times 12. Answer is 60. Okay. 60 dito yung dot. Then move twice to the right para magiging 60%. Okay. Next. Change color na naman. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. Then 10 times 5, 50. So 50.50. As usual, move twice to the right para magiging 50%. So may I remind na whole number to ha, wala tong dot before. Nilagyan ko lang ng dot kasi decimal point man ang pinag-usapan natin. Remember, pag whole number yan, automatic, yung dot ay nasa right. Pag gawing decimal, move the dot twice to the left. Yan. Okay. Pero pag from decimal point, move the dot to the right. Twice. Ganyan lang. Kaya nagiging 50% ang 5/10 when we convert that sa percent. And pag decimal, 0.50 or 50 hundredths. Now, the last part. Itong number 5. Wait, change ko yung color. Yung last color. Ito. 100 divided by 60. Of course, we have divide yan by 1.67. Then 1.67 multiply by 3. 5 eh. 1.67 times 3, 21, 18, 25. So, okay, nandito yun. 5.01 or 5 and 100ths. Okay, now, paano nga ba isulat yan sa decimal? Ito lang yan. Diba ang kanina, ito yun, 5.01. Pag decimal number, i-move yan twice. The same process. Ito. 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, ayusin ko lang yan. Point 0.0501. Okay? So, pag-convert dyan, sa percent, move twice. 1, 2. Kaya magiging 5.01%. Okay. Ganun lang ka-simple. Sana naintindihan niyo yung explanation. Thank you so much.